While the scanner is being used, dirt and dust accumulate on the interior of the scanner, which may affect documents and scanned images or prevent documents from being scanned properly. To prevent potential troubles from occurring, clean the scanner regularly. This video explains the procedures for cleaning scanners regularly, using the fi-7600 with an imprinter installed and the fi-7700 as examples, in the order starting with the exterior of the scanner, followed by the interior, and finally the imprinter. Prepare a clean cloth, cleaner F1 and some cotton swabs. Cleaning wipes can also be used instead of a cloth or cleaner F1. Now, let's clean the exterior of the scanner. Use a dry cloth to wipe the exterior of the scanner. If it is very dirty, use a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 to wipe. When removing the stacker for cleaning, remove from the right side with the stacker in the lower position and bending it slightly. When installing the stacker, insert from the right. Next, let's clean the interior of the scanner. Turn off the scanner and unplug the power cable. Allow at least 15 minutes for the interior of the scanner to cool down. Open the ADF. For the fi-7600 with an imprinter installed, open the print section, followed by the ADF. Use a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 to clean the interior of the scanner. Clean the brake roller. Open the brake roller cover and remove the brake roller. Gently wipe off dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller surface. Install the brake roller. Close the cover. Clean the pick rollers. Gently wipe dirt and dust off the roller surface. For the rollers with grooves, gently wipe the rollers along the grooves. Clean the plastic rollers. Gently wipe dirt and dust off the roller surface, taking care not to damage the sponge that is attached to the roller. Clean the rubber rollers. Gently wipe dirt and dust off the roller surface. Clean the chute roller. With the chute roller cover open, gently wipe dirt and dust off the roller surface. Clean the paper path. Clean the glass. Wipe it thoroughly because dirt on the glass may cause vertical streaks to appear in an image. Clean the ultrasonic sensors and document sensors. Gently wipe dirt and dust off the sensor surface. Use a cotton swab where it is difficult to reach or wipe off. Clean the feed rollers and eject rollers. Close the ADF. For the fi-7600 with an imprinter installed, close the print section as well. Plug in the power cable and turn on the scanner. When ready is displayed on the LCD of the operator panel, select Cleaning and then Roller Wipe. Open the ADF. When you press the Scan Enter button on the operator panel, the feed rollers and eject rollers rotate 1/7 at a time. While the rollers are rotating, wipe any dirt and dust off the entire rollers. Close the ADF. For the model with a flatbed, open the document cover and clean the document pad and document bed. Close the document cover after the cleaner solution has dried. Note that a cleaning paper can also be used to easily clean the parts other than the flatbed in the interior of the scanner. Select Cleaning, followed by Cleaning Paper on the operator panel. Moisten a cleaning paper with cleaner F1 and scan the cleaning paper with the scanner. We recommend the use of cleaning paper for easy cleaning. Reset the cleaning counter on the operator panel after cleaning is completed. This completes the procedure for cleaning the interior of the scanner. From this step onwards, the procedure for cleaning the imprinter is explained. Clean the imprinter on a regular basis as dirt and dust may affect the print quality or leave dirt marks on the documents. Turn off the scanner. First, clean the print cartridge. Open the print cartridge cover and remove the print cartridge. Gently wipe dirt off the nozzle plate using a dry cloth. Next, clean the interior of the imprinter. Close the print cartridge cover and open the print section. Gently place a dry cloth against the surface of the base of the print cartridge holder and wipe off dirt. Clean the rubber rollers. Gently place a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 against them and wipe the entire rollers. Clean the plastic rollers using the same way. Close the print section and open the print cartridge cover again. Install the print cartridge. Align the print position pointer with the print position mark where printing should be performed on the document. Close the print cartridge cover. This completes the procedure for cleaning the imprinter. Clean the scanner on a regular basis for comfortable use.